Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you don't need to, and today we are talking about the best stocks to buy on the stock market according to stock picking professionals. We're going to be going over what stocks the 1% are buying, what hedge funds are buying, and what are the best deals and stocks to buy to create wealth over the long term. If you haven't watched two of the other previous videos before this, where we go over the top 20 stocks to buy right now, this is the list of the top 10 according to hedge funds. However, there are plenty of good stocks in those videos, and I always like to highlight my favorite stocks by adding a check mark once we go over and talk about a certain company. When you see a check mark, these are the companies I am personally buying consistently into so I can create wealth over the long term. I have done extensive research on not only the fundamentals, financials, and the analysis regarding these companies. I've also read a plethora of articles researching the analysts that are currently covering these certain companies. So for more videos like this one, remember to go and smash that like button right now, subscribe if you are new, comment down below your favorite stock to buy, and without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So unsurprisingly, the first stock we're going to talk about today is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. And if you didn't know, Apple Inc. designs, manufactures, and even markets smartphones, personal computers, technology accessories, tablets, laptops, desktops, wearables, and other related products. Apple is one of the most frequently bought companies by stock professionals, and it's easy to see why. The current stock price only trades at $174 per share, while the low-end analyst price target for the next 12 months is $160. The average price consensus is $193, while the high-end bullish price prediction for the company goes all the way up to $215. This company is also beloved by analysts because currently 45 analysts currently have initiated coverage on this stock, with 38 of these 45 analysts saying that Apple is a clear buying opportunity because their stock price is going to continuously appreciate throughout time. Now, I do want to say that 7 analysts say to hold this stock, but with that being said, I want to qualify that statement by saying that none of these analysts that I researched say to sell the company or that the company is going to underperform the overall stock market. Also, Apple gives us a dividend of 0.52, which is a pretty good dividend yield. And just like in the last two videos, every time we go to the next stock on our list, this stock is actually held by more professionals than the last stock. And our next stock on this list is PayPal Holdings Inc., ticker symbol PYPL. If you didn't know, PayPal is a technology platform company that specializes in digital payments that enable digital and mobile payments on behalf of consumers and or merchants. PayPal is a fantastic blue chip company, and they are also very well known for their Venmo app. The current stock price for PayPal stock is only $113 right now, while the low-end analyst price prediction for the next 12 months is $107, the average price prediction is $180, and the high-end price target is $270. So at minimum, if the most bullish price target is correct, we could literally double our money by investing into PayPal stock because it has fallen dramatically from its all-time highs recently over the last couple of months, which to me could be a good buying opportunity. However, like I said earlier, my favorite stocks that I am doubling down on will have a check next to them, and this particular one does not. However, all of these companies are fantastic buying opportunities according to me personally and according to stock picking professionals. Right now, 50 analysts currently have forecasts and price targets or are reporting on PayPal stock. 36 of these analysts say that this company is a good buying opportunity. 13 of these analysts say that this is a okay buying opportunity, however, holding on for the long term will give you better gains, while one of these analysts actually say to sell the stock. But with that being said, let's move on to our number 3 spot, which is going to be Visa, ticker symbol V. If you didn't know, Visa Inc. is a payments technology company that provides digital payments across more than 200 countries and territories. So basically, they are a digital payments processor, and they can use their technology to process payment transactions. Visa is a fantastic blue chip stock to own, and it should be in everyone's portfolio in my personal opinion, and it's just an overall fantastic company. The current stock price trades at $217 per share. However, if these stock prices are too high for you for buying a whole stock, feel free to invest into these companies with fractional shares, where you can allocate as little as $1 to any of these companies. However, However, if for some reason where you are located doesn't allow or you don't have the correct brokerage for fractional shares, I will personally stick with the companies that I have check marks next to, because those are the best companies out of these 10 in my opinion. The low-end analyst price target for Visa is $215, the average price consensus is $271 per share, and the high-end price prediction is $312. 40 analysts currently are calculating projections for this company, with 35 of these analysts very bullish on the company, saying that this company is a good buying opportunity right now, even in this current market environment. However, 5 analysts do say to hold the company, while none of these analysts say to either sell the company or that the company is going to underperform the overall market. It also has a decent dividend of 0.65. Our next company on this list, which I was surprised to see this on this list, is Uber Technologies Inc., ticker symbol UBER. Uber, if you didn't know, develops and operates technology applications which support a variety of different offerings on its platform. However, they are most known for their ride services. The current stock price is $33 per share. The low-end analyst price target for the next 12 months is $28. The average price estimate is $58, and the high-end price prediction is $80. Currently, 48 analysts cover the stock, with 41 of these analysts saying to buy the company and 6 of them say to hold, while only 1 of them says to sell the company. And of course, this company does not offer a dividend for its investors as of right now. Now, I do want to say, and I want to put in an honorable mention right here, and that is going to be Tesla's TSLA stock. Tesla is involved in a multitude of things. However, they are probably most known to you as an electric vehicle manufacturer. And eventually, they're going to have a robo-taxi service, which is really going to put the hurt on taxi services and ride-sharing services such as Uber. So in my personal opinion, I would much rather invest into Tesla than I would in Uber Technologies. However, that is just a personal opinion. However, according to this list, these professionals seem to like Uber better for whatever reason. I just tend to disagree with them on this particular point. With that being said, let's move on to our next company, which is going to be a very similar company to Visa, except this is going to be MasterCard Incorporated, ticker symbol MA. MasterCard is very similar to Visa overall because they are also a technology company that connects consumers, financial institutions, to merchants, governments, and businesses across the world, and they enable electronic forms of payment. The current stock price is $347. The low-end analyst price target is $360 per share, and I always like to see how the current stock price, which is $347, is actually lower than the low-end analyst price target, because this gives us a fantastic margin of safety, and we could argue that this company is oversold because of this if analysts are correct. Again, these price targets are just projections among analysts. There is nothing to say that these price estimates or projections or even price targets are going to come true. It's just an indicator of a projection from an analyst. This is just to give us an idea of what the stock price could be worth in the next 12 months. The average price prediction for the company is $430, while the bullish high-end price target is $480 per share. Currently, 41 analysts cover this company, with 35 of these analysts saying that this company is a fantastic buying opportunity right now, with 6 analysts saying to hold and none of them saying to sell. This company also offers us a decent dividend yield of 0.53. Moving right along to our next company, we are going to talk about Alphabet Inc. Class C shares, which, if you didn't know, this company is the parent company to Google. Except I don't want to talk about the Alphabet Class C shares, I actually want to talk about the Alphabet Class A shares, ticker symbol GOOGL. And if you look on screen, this company has a check mark next to it, which means I am extremely bullish on this company in particular compared to the other phenomenal companies on this list. The current stock price for Google stock is $2,831, while the average price prediction for the company is $3,452. The low-end analyst price target is $2,965, while the high-end bullish price prediction is $3,900 per share. A load of analysts currently cover this stock because, of course, it's Alphabet, who wouldn't want to cover the parent company of Google, and 49 of these 51 analysts say to buy the company, which is absolutely amazing, while only 2 analysts say to hold the company, and of course this company comes in at a dividend yield of 0.00. So it's no surprise to me that Alphabet came in the top 5 or even the top 4 in my opinion on this particular list. But this is where we really want to hone in to the top 5 best companies. So what are the top 5 best companies according to stock picking professionals, the 1%, and hedge fund owners, and how can we use this information information to hedge our own portfolios while also building wealth over the long term. Well, in our number 3 spot in the top 5, it's going to be Amazon, and this company also has a check mark next to it, which means I am extremely bullish on this company. I am buying more of this company, and I think that the future of Amazon is absolutely amazing. Amazon, if you didn't know, offers a very wide range of products and services that all fall under the umbrella of this particular company. However, you probably know them from their e-commerce. They also sell electronic devices. They own Kindle, Fire Tablet, Fire TV, Echo, Ring, and other devices. Amazon, if you didn't know, operates in 3 main business segments. They have their North American segment, international segment, and their Amazon Web Services segment. And overall, they are just a very solid company. Right now, the current AMZN stock trades for $3,282 per share. The low-end analyst price target is $3,333, which means that right now is a fantastic buying opportunity because they are trading at a discount compared to their low-end analyst price target. The average analyst price target is $4,098 per share, while the high-end bullish price prediction is $5,000. Right now, 57 analysts cover the company, with 56 of these 57 analysts saying that this is one of the best buying opportunities on the stock market right now, with only one analyst saying to hold the company, and as usual for a growth stock such as Amazon, the dividend is going to be 0. Now we're going to break into our top 2. What is going to be our top 2? Well, surprisingly, and this personally surprised me, we have Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook Inc., and the ticker symbol right now is FB, but that could change in the future. Meta Platforms right now is focused on building products that enable people to connect through the metaverse or even through mobile devices, personal computers, or virtual reality. They own very popular apps and platforms and social media sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and many others. Right now, the current stock price trades around $220 per share, with the low-end analyst price target, which is also $220 per share, so this is a good buying opportunity right now. However, in my personal opinion, this does not have a check mark next to it, although I do own this company. I actually own every single company on this list, to be honest, because these are all very good blue chip stocks, and they are going to add stability and safety to your portfolio. The high-end analyst price target for this company goes all the way up to $466, while the average price consensus is somewhere around $324 according to analysts. Speaking about analysts, a total of 62 analysts at this time currently have initiated projections and cover this stock, with 47 of these 62 analysts saying to buy the company right now. 13 of them say to hold, and 2 say to sell. The dividend for this company, as usual, is going to be 0.00, which brings us to our number 1 company. And if you think really hard, of course, this is going to be the number 1 company. I own a lot of shares for this particular company, and I am set to buy more. So unsurprisingly, this company is also going to have a check mark next to it, and it's going to be none other than Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. The current stock price for Microsoft trades at only $302, which is very low in my opinion. Also, if you didn't know, Microsoft Corporation is one of the best all-time technology companies in my opinion. They have their own operating system. They have loads of software, business solutions, various applications, video games, devices, tablets, entertainment consoles, intelligent devices, smart devices, cloud-based solutions, consulting services. So they are basically a technology company that has their hand in almost everything, which is why I'm surprised that the current stock price is only $302, while the low-end analyst price target is $306. The average price consensus for the next 12 months is $370, while the high-end prediction is $425. 51 analysts have been digging and researching this company, saying that this company is the best stock to buy according to the 1%, according to hedge funds, and according to stock picking professionals. Microsoft is the number 1 stock for both stability, long-term growth, and future stock price appreciation, and we also have a decent dividend, yield of 0.79, which is always good. Now, I do want to say that 3 analysts do say to hold this company, while none of these analysts that I researched said to sell the company or that the company is going to underperform. I also want to add that it is debatable saying that Microsoft is objectively the number 1 best stock to buy. However, according to these hedge funds and the research that I did out of the hedge funds that I looked looked at, it seemed that Microsoft was the #1 stock. So if you enjoyed this video, I would really encourage you to go back and watch the 2 previous videos before this one, because they include other phenomenal companies along with my checkmarked companies, which I personally love, own, and am doubling down on. So for more videos like this one, remember to go and smash that like button right now. Comment down below your favorite stock, especially if it didn't make this list according to the best stocks that hedge funds are buying up. Also, subscribe if you are new for more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next YT video.